How to fix notifications not working on iPhone. The first thing that I would recommend you do is go into settings on your iPhone, and from here you want to tap on focus, and after selecting focus you want to check if you have do not disturb turned on. As you can see, I have mine turned off, and you would do this with all of your focus modes. So you want to check if you have any one of them turned on. As if you do, as you may know, once you have a focus mode turned on, it will limit the notifications that you are able to get. So if you do not have any focus mode turned on, you will simply go back. Then the other thing that I would recommend you do is tap on notifications. After selecting notifications, you want to tap right where you see show previews at the top, and you want to ensure that it is on always, as this will always show the notification whenever you get it. Then you're going to scroll down, and if you're having this problem with a particular app, you will scroll down and check for this app. For example, let's say you're not receiving notifications for FaceTime. You will simply tap on FaceTime, and you want to ensure that it allow notifications is toggled on, and that all of these settings, as you can see on my device, are turned on. So lock screen notification, notification center, and banners are all turned on, and badges. By the way, badges mean, for example, if you were to get a missed call on FaceTime and you would see 1 in the red circle, that is what is considered a badge. So you want to ensure that badges is also turned on. If you have done all of this and you're still not receiving notification, you can give your phone a soft reset, and to do this you'll simply press down on the power button on the side of your iPhone, meanwhile simultaneously pressing down on the volume buttons also. And by doing this, you will see the option come up to lock off iPhone, and you'll simply turn off your iPhone and then restart it. If that still doesn't help, the other thing that I would recommend you do is come back into settings, and once in settings you're going to tap on general. Then I would recommend that you check on software update if your iPhone needs updating. If it does, I recommend that you tap on download and install the update. And if after doing that it is still giving the trouble, you will need to scroll down while in general and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then you're going to tap on reset, and from here you will tap on reset all settings, and hopefully that was able to help. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.